Bilbo Baggins, my friends. Welcome to the Bilbo Baggins Network. We got the whole 25 seconds. Oh, yeah. Me either. We playing anybody? There's like nobody here. They camping? They're camping. Oh, a stabby. I love stabby guys. I got killed. The guy in a ghillie suit. I got killed. Getting all these assists, though. I see you. We got Charlie, though. We got Charlie. Oh. I got killed. Nah, he just stabbies. Already? What, did the only one guy get kills on their team? You probably could. Get it back. Get it back. Oh, the stabby. The stabby guy's laying on the stairs so that people run past him and he stabs them. Why? Oh, he's making you look behind you? Oh, you just got me. Oh, I got stabbied. He stabbies with a riot shield. I just killed him. Oh, please tell me it was the last kill. That'd be awesome. It is. How did he not, like, see me coming? All right, we'll see what the next map is. I'm gonna play one more match. Oh, yeah?